Hi guys, welcome back to CALLY J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my vegetable cheese omelette. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have half of onion, scallion. I also have bell peppers and tomato, and it's half of tomato. 3 eggs. I'm also going to use cheese and black pepper and salt. Guys, this is an easy recipe. It's great breakfast idea. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my tomatoes in small pieces. Now it's time to slice up my bell peppers. And again guys, I'm just slicing these in small pieces. So now guys, it's time to slice up my onion. And again, I'm just slicing my onion in small pieces. Now I'm just slicing up my scallion. So now guys, it's time to whisk my eggs. So I'm just cracking the eggs one at a time. So I'm just gonna add salt and black pepper and whisk. Guys, you could also add your vegetables to your egg, but I choose not to add them as yet because when I cut my omelette, I want to see the vegetables inside, and I also want to taste the crunchiness of the vegetables. So now guys, it's time to start making my omelette. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and add the egg mixture to my pot, and I add a little bit of vegetable oil to my pot. So what I'm going to do now is add the vegetables. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the onion and scallion. I'm also going to add the bell peppers and tomatoes. And I'm going to add the final thing, which is the cheese. Guys, you can add any amount of cheese you like. So now guys, it's time to fold my omelette. So I'm just folding it to the other side, and I'm just going to allow this to fry on both sides until golden brown. And there you have it guys, my vegetable cheese omelette. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.